Okay, go ahead. Ah, you got it in the leg.
Now it's gonna.
Here's Xander. Hold this.
Yep.
Hold this.
It's a rug burn.
Well, let's do it one more time. We're recording. Let's do it one more time and then we'll get close. No, down lower. Where are you supposed to hold it? Get it there. Ooh, gut shot.
Oh.
Gut shot.
Alright, Xander, go ahead. Go ahead and shoot two more. Grab the ball.
Mine. Ah.
We need to get you some gloves or something. Grab an arrow.
Daddy, can I use these?
Those are too thick, honey. There's some gloves in the drawer in the house. Nope, you gotta flush it the other way. Watch yourself. Don't poke yourself. Careful. Kind of put that on backwards, but alright. Kayla, watch out. He's gonna shoot here. Whoop.
Daddy, look at my hair. Got it.
Ooh.
I got
Yeah,
it.
decent shot.
One more arrow.
An orange one. One more.
And then I get to do 4. Nope, 2. Now
Nice shot.
2 times in a row.
Sweet, buddy. Nice shot.
2 times in a row.
You're a deer killer.